everyone, welcome to another video on Xbox One, specifically how to share Game Pass with other users and other accounts on Xbox One. Now, this will be a very short and straight to the point video. In order to share your Game Pass with other accounts, you'll have to go through a specific process, which is a very simple process. As you can see, what you want to do is to basically go and add these Game Pass with other accounts on your Xbox. Is go to your settings, go to the general, and you have personalization. Now on personalization, you will have my home Xbox. What you want to do is select make this my home Xbox. Now what you want to do is you want to sign in with your kids' profiles. Once your console is designated as a home Xbox, anyone who signs in with their profile can access your Game Pass Ultimate subscription, including your kids. They can download and play any game from the Game Pass library and use all the other features such as multiplayer features and access other benefits of Game Pass Ultimate. Now, you can confirm subscription access to confirm that your kids have access, or anyone with your Game Pass Ultimate. They can launch the Xbox app or any Game Pass app, look for a Game Pass icon next to their profile picture, and then if the icon is present, they have full access to the subscription. Now, obviously, additionally, while your kids will have the access to Game Pass library, you can still manage certain features for their profiles. You can go to settings, account, family, and then manage family members and select your child's profile. From there, you can pretty much go and add the games or remove the games or whatever you want. But this is pretty much how you can share Game Pass with other accounts on Xbox One. If you have any questions or anything specific, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.